Cardboard protection. The first line of defense is cardboard. Place a piece of cardboard over the TV screen. This prevents scratches and protects the screen from being pushed in if something bumps against it. Fold down any excess cardboard and secure it with tape. Blanket layer. Next, cover the TV with a blanket. Use folding techniques similar to those used for furniture, creating neat, parallel folds at the corners. The blanket provides cushioning and further protection. Shrink wrap security. For an extra layer of protection, use shrink wrap. This tightly secures everything and acts as a buffer against scuffs and minor impacts during the move. While some use tape, shrink wrap provides a more secure and comprehensive seal.